Probably heard through other cab drivers, maybe a little bit of social media, that their new cab was on the way. Made my mind up that I wanted one straight away.
Investing in a new one, at first wasn't too sure. Speaking to some of colleagues that got one early on, sort of persuaded me.
I had other friends who were one of the first buyers of the TXE and absolutely were running and singing the praises about the vehicle beyond belief.
Once I drove it, I thought, you know what, I like this.
To be honest, I went for the test drive and I was sold.
They gave me one for 48 hours and that was it. I came back and ordered one straight away. Once
I test drived it, that was it. It was no looking back.
Looked at the financial packages, potential savings, and for me it was a no-brainer.
When I saw it, immediately realised I made the right choice. I was very happy with the way that it looked. Basically, driving something that feels current.
To drive the cab you can't fault it.
The comfort and the smoothness is beyond belief.
The Fairway, the TX1, TX2 and TX4 come nowhere near it. They were lovely cabs at their time, but obviously life has moved on. I would never go back to the others.
I've always had new cabs, and the novelty of a new cab wears off after about 2 months. I've had my cab for 16 months, and every day I open my front door and I get a little smile and I'm like, yeah, that's my car.
You just cannot fault the vehicle. The vehicle is very well designed.
And it's a pleasure to go to work every day now, as opposed to as it was with the old chug-along cab.
I love the iconic shape and the look of the vehicle.
It's far superior to my last CX4.
If my cab ever goes in for work, I don't want an old model. I'd rather go without a cab and not work today than have one of the old cabs. Give me an electric vehicle.
I've run out of superlatives because I really do like this vehicle, and it's a pleasure, absolute pleasure to drive. It really is.
Comfortable.
Enjoyable.
Safe.
Smooth.
Relaxing.
Economical.
Second to none. It's brilliant.